Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss how to delete a folder or file. Last video we talked how to create a folder and how to create a file and how to rename the file or folder. So I gave some steps. I hope you understand how to create a folder and how to create a file and how to open and how to rename the file. Okay, today in this video we will discuss how to delete a folder and file. So now you can watch, you can see the folder on my desktop. You can see the folder on my desktop, personal information, because when we discuss to create a folder, that time I create this folder. Okay, it's a personal information folder. So folder is nothing but, I told you, it's a location area. It's an area of file. We can store the file in this area. So folder, if you double click it, you can find inside some files is there. This is the file. File means it's a collection of information or collection of data. So if you double click again this file, you can see the file will open. Inside some information, some collection of data I already saved. So now I will tell you how to delete the folder. First of all, I will tell you how to delete the folder. Step 1, listen carefully. Step 1, right click the folder, which folder you want to delete. Right click on the folder. Exactly, see which folder you want to delete. You have to keep on that folder, mouse pointer. Don't click here. If you click in right click here, no, you can't get that options. But when you press on the folder exactly, then only you can get the option for delete options. So step 1, select the folder. Then step 2, then select the delete options on the dialog box. Okay, when you press the right button on mouse, you can see some box, and that you can find the delete option. So once you press the delete button, the file automatically delete. So do you know where you can recover that file? If you want to that file, same file, you can go the recycle bin. Then recycle bin, the file may be stored. So if you want to the same file, if you want to open, then right click and restore it. If you see the file again came, see this is the personal informations, because I already delete this file, but it again came because that file was stored in recycle bin. So I right click that file and I give the option for restore, then automatically the file return back, the folder return back. So this is the folder personal information. So again I will tell you how to delete the folder, and I will give the steps also. So how to delete a folder or file. So select and give each word capitalize, size. Okay. Step 1, select the file or folder. Step 2, right click the mouse button and select the delete option. So in this case, delete is the important word. So I will bold that word. Then select the folder. First step, you want to select the folder. Second option, you press the mouse button for right click, then you can see the option for delete, then press it, then the folder automatically delete. Then step 3, press enter key, then folder automatically delete. Okay, press enter, then file automatically delete. And after that, sometimes the system may ask you press enter key or click yes button. Yes means yes button to delete the file or folder, or no means to cancel, deleting. Means what is the mean by that? So 1 minute, all are become bold. So just click yes or no, only to become bold. Okay, so step 1, how to delete a folder or file. Now we are discussing that one. So first step, you have to select the folder, which file or which folder, whatever may be. You know what is the difference between file and folder. So which you want to delete, first you have to select that. Then second step, you have to right click on mouse button. Okay, right click on mouse button, then choose delete option. Once you press the no, if you want to delete, press enter. Okay, then the system asks you question. If you want to delete, press yes, or if you don't want to delete, press no. The message box will come. So if you press yes, means if you want to delete the folder, you press yes and the or press enter key. If you don't want to delete, you can press the no options. The dialog box will show like this, no and yes. If you don't want to delete, press no. If you want to delete, then press enter, or else instead of yes, you can press enter key also. Okay, sometimes we can put enter key, or else we can select the options yes. Then what happened? The file or folder, it delete. It's not permanently delete. The file it directly goes to the recycle bin. You can restore the file or folder also. Okay, that I told you how to do this. So please copy these steps, how to delete a file or folder. Okay, so I told you how to delete a file or folder. Again I will tell you, right click on it, press the delete button. But in this computer node, automatically delete. But in Windows 7, it may ask you question, do you want to delete? If you want to yes, press enter key. If you don't want to delete, press no. Like this dialog box will appear. But in this Windows, no, it's not showing like this. But Windows 7 operating system will show like this. But in this operating system is Windows 8.1. But this OS not showing like this. But Windows 7 show like this. How? When you want to delete a file or folder, no, that time it will ask you your permissions are compulsory. If you give permission, it will delete, or else it will not delete. Okay, so now I hope you understand how to delete a folder or file. Okay, students, let me discuss how to moving or copying a folder or file. Okay, so how to moving or copying a file or folder. So what is moving or copying? Moving means we have to cut and move one place to another place. Copying means the folder remain the original location and we can copy to another place also. So let me explain what is moving, what is copying. Moving means different, copying means difference. Okay, so not that moving means two types of moving we can do. Like example, so see first let me explain the steps. First step, if you want to move any file or folder, you have to follow the steps, some steps. Okay, step 1, select the files our folder. First step, to be folder to be moved or copied. First step, okay. Then step 2, right click the mouse and click the cut or copy option. Step 3, select the location where the file is to be moved or copied. Step 4, now right click the mouse and click the paste option. That's it. So only 4 steps, okay. Step 1, you have to select the file or folder, which file you want to copy, which file you want to move. So first option, select the file. Second option, right click on mouse on that folder. Third option, select the location where you want to right click the mouse and click the cut or copy option. See, this is important. Cut means completely remove that folder from one place to another place. Copy means both place that file will be available. Means if you want to cut completely, you can take where you want to store. That is a cut. Copy means we can keep both places, original location and another location also. That is a difference for cut and copy. Then third, select the location where the file you want to move. Then fourth option, then right click and choose the paste option. This is important, paste option, okay. So this is steps for moving or copying file or folder. Let me explain in practical. So this is the folder, okay. So I want to move this file. I can move 2 types of moving, means cut and copy. I told you, no. So if you want to copy, that is different. Cut means difference. Let me explain first cut. See, cut means right click and press cut. Now the file is here, but once I copied, paste, that time the file will not remain here. I will tell you. But currently the file is stored in desktop, okay. So but I don't want to save this file in desktop. I want to save documents folder. So documents folder, okay, documents folder. So here I want to save. So what I will do, right click mouse pointer, then I press paste. See, I paste the file came here, personal information, okay. So if you see the file in desktop, you can't find because I cut the folder. So what happened, the file will not remain desktop. This is the cut option. So when you cut, the file will not will not remain the old location, because I created folder in this location, on desktop. But now I cut completely. I paste here in a documents folder, inside a document folder, but file will here we can available that file, but that file will not remain where? Will not remain in desktop. Desktop we can't see. In desktop there is no file. This is the one method, okay. So where is the file? Documents, and then file name, personal information. So what I will do, again I will cut and I will paste in desktop. Okay, paste. Now the file came. Okay, that first step I told you, cut and paste. Second step, copy and paste. So right click and press copy. Before I choose cut, but now I choose copy. So what happens? See, so open the wherever you want to save location, then paste it. Now if you see, the folder is available here and also here also, in desktop also. both places available. That is the difference for cut and copy. If you cut any folder, the old location there is no that file, the new location only you can see the file. But you copy, no, if you press copy, you can see both places, even the old location also, then where you store the file, that place also we can find. See, this is the folder file, and this is a file available in this here also. So both places available here in my documents. Inside a my document I stored the folder, and desktop also, inside desktop also we can find the file. So this is the way we can move folder anywhere. So if you want to move the same folder in any other places, so just copy, and wherever you want to store, example videos folder, inside a video folder just right click and paste it. So if you see the folder pasted here also, if you see the folder here also, in desktop also available, and then in video folder also available. If you go the documents here also available. So that is a copy. Okay, so we can move anywhere files or folder. This is the method. Okay, so this is the steps how to move your file or folder. First step, select the file, which file you want to move or copy, then right click and choose the cut or copy, which I told you what is the difference. Cut means the old location file will not be remain, copy means both places we can keep. Then choose any option whichever you want, it depends upon your situation. Then third step, wherever you want to, where you want to move the file, you have to choose the folder, example my documents, videos, download folder, or C drive, D drive, wherever you want you can choose the place. Then right click and choose the paste option, so that the folder copied and that place also. Okay.